What's up everybody, Bubba D's here, and we are at it again. We are going to be doing something amazing out of the Instapot. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, click that like button so you can be notified all the time. We are making garlic butter beef bites. So I'm going to give you guys the ingredients of what you're going to need. So you're going to need one whole chopped jalapeno, parsley, the star or one of the stars, some butter, salt, pepper, some oil, some garlic, and some beef. And we're going to go ahead and get our 4 tablespoons of olive oil into the Instapot. We're going to make sure it's nice and hot before we actually start to bring in our beef. Now I'm using 1.5 pounds of beef cut into small pieces. And what we're doing now is we're going to be browning our meat. We're trying to get it some color, give it some texture. And we're going to continue allowing that to happen as we put in our dry ingredients. So 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of garlic, 1 chopped jalapeno, removing the seeds if you don't like heat, or you can opt out of it altogether. We'll go ahead and mix that up. Now we're going to need half a cup of water, and here's our star. We're going to go with 4 tablespoons of butter. Now as a little bit of a garnish, we're going to go ahead and chop up some parsley. And we can add that in, and you could save a little bit to put it on the top as nice garnish. So you want to go ahead and get our lid on. We're going to put it on manual high pressure for 10 minutes, and once it's all done we can do a quick release. So we're just going to go ahead and open that valve, and your meal is all done. There you have it, quick simple meal. Make sure if you haven't already done so you subscribe to the channel, click that like button, leave a comment. I always respond to comments, and I will see you guys soon with another video. Take care.